Hello students, the question says a vegetable basket contains 12 peppers, out of which 3 are red, 4 are green and 5 are yellow. 3 peppers are taken at random and without replacement from the basket. The first question says find the probability that the 3 peppers are of different colors. So for the 3 peppers to be of different colors, probability of it being of different colors, that means one of each kind has to be selected. That means one from red has to be selected. So that can be done in 3C1 ways because it's selection. So we are using combination over here. And means to multiply. One green and 5 yellow are selected. So out of 12 papers, we have to select 3. So the total number of ways of selection will be 12C3. So that is equal to 3 by 11. And if I put it into the decimals, so it's 0.273. That's the answer for the first part of the question. Part 2 says, show that the probability of exactly 2 papers taken are green is 12 by 55. So the probability that 2 are green is equal to, that means that 2 has to be selected from the green one. So that can be done in 4C2 ways. And one paper can be either red or yellow. That means that can be selected from 3 plus 5, 8 units. So that can be done in 8C1 ways divided by 12C3. So if I solve this out, so I'll get 12 by 55, which is an answer for the second part of the question. Now the third part of the question says, the number of green papers is denoted by discrete random variable x. Draw up a probability distribution for x. So if for part 3, if this is my table which I need to draw, so x can take values like can be no green, 1 green, 2 green, or at most 3 green. And the probability now for getting no green, so that means none of them, probability of x being 0, that means no green has been selected, so that can be 4C0 into 8C4 divided by 12C3, which is 14 by 55. So we can write here for 14 by 55. So if it's 1 green, that means probability of being 1 green. So that can be 4C1 into 8C3 divided by 12C3. So that is 28 by 55. So we can write here as 28 by 55. The probability of it being both the greens we have already found out is 12 by 55. Now all 3 green. So that literally means we have to select three of them. So this will be 8C3. This should be 8C2. So for all 3, so it can be 4C3 into 8C0 divided by 12C3. So we are selecting 3 out here. So which is equal to 1 by 55. So the value will be 1 by 55. Please note that this should be 3 and this will be 2 because we are selecting only 3 without replacement. So the table for this will be this. So this is the answer for the third part of the question. Thank you, students.